Cool. This is a quick one. So this is Blender. What I usually do is I just select all and delete everything. And then I'll go File, Import GLTF or GLB. And I'll look for the file that you sent me, which is poly. When it opens, you see this is the mesh, right? So I can click on this to turn on the textures. So as you can see, if I go to ground level, if I press 1, it's basically there's this red line here is ground level. So as you can see, it's below ground level, right? And so what I usually do is I do grab it, G, and then Z to move it up, so I can make sure that it sits. And you can see it's kind of tilted as well towards the right. So I'm gonna hit R to rotate, just adjust it, so that it gives you that as best as you can approximate it. Like it sits on the ground flat this way. Now it's kind of flat. And then I press 3 to look at it from this side, and it looks fine as well. And then I press 7 to look from the top. So this direction going up is where the base usually face. So right now it's basically facing to the right here. So I need to rotate this so that it will face kind of, depending on how you want it. Do you want it like this? I think you probably want to go along these things, right? The fences. Right? I'm saying it's probably not like this, right? It's probably like this, I guess. So yeah, so now I think that's the best approximate. If I go down, yeah, so that's basically floor level. This is the artifact of scanning, all these bumps and all that. And usually what I do is I have to select them and flatten this. But I just wanted to do a quick video for you to show how I readjust this. And then all I do is hit Control A and set all transforms. So basically it sets all the scale, the rotation, everything back to this new one. And I'll just go File, Export, GLB. And then I call this, go to Downloads, I call this poly2.glb. That's it.